Alright, so that's we're here at AC Hotel in Kingston, and this time it's for the BZR weekend where we're gonna have the big bad Cardi B Little Miss Drama concert. You know, I'm gonna just walk around and talk to some people. So follow with me. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Cardi B, hello.
Is it Chineyk? Hold on, come here. Oh my God! So first, Chineyk, how are you?
I am fantastic. How are you?
I'm doing great. First of all, like I totally forgot, like how much of a charming host you are.
Thank you so much.
You're so multi-talented. This minute movie premiere. I know you're out here hosting. What can this girl not do?
Nothing. Cook.
Can we expect a cameo on stage when Cardi B perform up?
You know I'm available. I'm ready.
Oh, okay.
I'm ready. I'm able. You understand what I'm saying? Multi-talented.
Okay. No, of all times, what would you say is your go-to Cardi B song when you think about clubbing?
Clubbing? You know I like this one, but outside and the new one she just dropped, because ain't nobody holding us down. Us ladies that's independent and got our things, we outside. What you talking about?
All right. So I'm saying, like, you go through something now, like you have any feelings, you go through some relationship stuff. What is that go-to Cardi B song?
Outside. I can't think off the top of my head.
I'll show and do a shake, huh? Yeah, that's all. That's no, but that is it, man. Anything that you can tell us about why should people come out and make sure them supports the Little Miss Drama concert in Jamaica?
I mean, as somebody that went to the Little Miss Drama tour, you guys are in for a treat. And we already know we accept Cardi B as a Jamaican. She has vibes, she has energy. You know she's going to put on a good show when she's about a Beyonce fan. I'm telling you, you guys are in for a treat. Cardi B is a performer, and she supports Jamaica through and through. Y'all saw how she collapsed on stage when the World Boss come out. Is the World Boss going to show?
Wait, start over there.
Don't mix it.
Okay, all right, that is it. Come on, we're gone, we're busy.
It only makes sense. It only makes sense, right? Because she brought out Vybz Kartel. Now, Vybz Kartel.
Cartel after video.
Might as well, because now Cardi B is in his town, his country. Yeah, he got to pop out. So, teacher, if you're listening, it's your bestie. You got to show up and show out.
Yeah, man, now we're going to need all of the girls, but don't cook her clean.
To come out as well, because that's how we got the, I was going to say the ring, but I'm going to have it here.
Yes, come on. Casey, we're praying for you.
I'm praying for me too.
Thank you very much, Chineyk.
One.
I can talk to you for a brief second. Okay. All right. So, first of all, let's introduce the people. What's your name?
I'm Ryan Burke.
Ryan Burke, and you're of course a part of Cardi's production team and stuff, right?
That's correct.
No, talk to me. What goes into, really handling and managing the weight of an artist as international, as successful as Cardi B?
It is a lot of work,
yes,
right? But it's well worth it in the end. You know, we love Cardi B and we want to bring the best to Jamaica. You know what I mean? We've been putting this together now for about 2 years, but it came to fruition following the success of her last tour. So, we have a surprise for you guys.
Okay. And finally, just tell the people them know, like, in a one nutshell, why should they come out and support Cardi B in October?
Cardi B supports us. We should support Cardi B.
That is it. Thank you very much. All right. Yes, man. All right. So, we're going to see if we can get some more. Hold on. Who else? Come with me. Whoa. Oh, okay. This is where we want to talk to. Hold on. Come in here. I think this man is working with Water Commission. Is this Mr. Shaw? Mr. NWC. So tell the people what's your official name, because I don't know what I want to understand who you are right now.
All right, so I am Michael Shaw. I'm the chairman for NWC. And also, I'm wearing my own brand today.
Oh, Lost Marble.
Pillars, right. So I'm in here in two capacities. I'm also a director at CVM TV.
Oh!
Right, so hence the whole...
How what work you have, man?
Yeah.
Oh, man, much of us.
Pleasure. And of course, I was just awarded, conferred the Order of Distinction.
Oh, well, congratulations, man. Come on, man, come on. The family must have a big treat and all of that.
Well, I really do hope so. I'm sure I'm the one going to end up swiping the credit card.
You know what is very funny? There's a joke here, but it's a little inappropriate. Yeah. Because when you say work Water Commission, Cardi B has a song named WAP.
What?
Yes. And it talks about a different type of
What?
A different type of weight.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we're not going to get into that right now. But
Go short on the water now. Because wrong.
when Cardi B gets here, she'll be able to help us.
Well, we're going to make sure that we're going to do the rain dance by then. But
No,
great meeting you.
yeah, man. And I hope that your family plan all of the big celebration.
Sure, they-
Congratulations. Yeah, man. All right, yeah, man. So we can talk to. Hold on, sorry. Trying to get to Delano and Minister Green. Hold on. Hold on, it's time. Almost there. We're almost there. Can you come around here? Oh my God, my favorite minister is here. This is my favorite minister. Minister Grange, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Minister Grange, you cannot give the girl them a chance. Each time you're stepping on them neck like you cannot step out the house one day and look bad. Whoa. So no, I heard you talking about you have a lot of friends that you'll be at the concert with.
Yes.
Can I be a part of your entourage on that day?
Anytime you can be part of my crew.
Oh my gosh, oh my God. No, do you have any idea fully who Cardi B is? Come and tell me, can I explain her to you? You want me to explain her to you?
Yes.
All right. So Cardi B, she's like a Latina artist. You know, she loves to talk about her Spanish culture. Cardi B is like the Jamaican Spice. So she's very raunchy, but very down to earth, fun personality, and she always celebrates Jamaican music, food, and culture.
Right.
Yeah, man. So what if Cardi B's on stage and she invites you up to share a dance? Will you go up?
Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe.
No, I want to ask a little pop culture thing. Were you a fan of what's it, Dolly Parton?
If I'm a fan of.
Dolly Parton, who passed away this week.
Yes, and I'm really saddened by her passing. You know, I produced an album with Colin Davis that was primarily country,
Yes.
but it was like a reggae version of country music. Going Down to Paradise,
Yeah,
Must
yeah.
Be Love, those songs. I've always admired Dolly Parton. And you know, Jamaicans love
We love her,
music,
yeah.
and they love her.
She's the one who wrote I Will Always Love You by Whitney.
That's right.
Yeah.
And some of her compositions have
Yes.
been big hits. Whitney Houston, you know, I Will Always Love You. So the industry has lost a great songwriter
Icon, yeah.
and a beautiful voice and an iconic performer.
Now, final question. This might be a little bit risky, but let me just ask you this one. How do you handle the noise and the controversy that happens online sometimes about with politics, about the ministry? How do you maneuver that sort of space and still maintain your aura?
I stay focused. I take it a day at a time. And I don't lose sight of the goals that I've set, and what I would like to achieve in the interest of Jamaica and in the interest of the sectors I serve.
So regardless of what any blogger has to say, anybody online is saying noise, you're just tunnel vision.
I stay focused. I don't watch the noise in the market. I watch the sale.
That is it, you know. Once again, love your Basbsy Granger. And before you go away, I have to go make you go try the Cardi B thing. She have a thing what she say, oh, can you try saying that? Or you can do, ow. She has two catchphrases. Can you try one? Can you want to do the ow? Try.
The owl.
Yes. Take care. Okay, so what, a final one. So this is just very impromptu. So first of all, I hope I'm getting the pronunciation of your name is Delano Seiveright.
Yeah.
And for those of you who don't know your portfolio, what is it?
Oh, so Minister of State, Industry, Investment and Commerce, last one MP.
Okay, so what is that also? What it entail? For people
That
like you,
literally
what we
entails business. So all the business activities happening in Jamaica. So the Companies Office, Jamaica Special Economic Zone Authority, Bureau of Standards, many agencies fall under the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, and we are focused on driving economic growth, driving business development, and getting people more jobs and more opportunities, and driving exports.
I think I get it. So what is your go-to laugh when you're closing a business deal and you're like, Jamaica is getting this investment? What is that laugh?
Very good.
Oh, that is it.
Yes.
Me hear you mention red
Yes.
bottoms. Like, how did you come across that piece of information?
Well, I know a lot. I've heard of these things.
Oh,
and I've
oh.
seen the prices for persons who would want gifts like that, you know?
Okay.
And
So-
I remember once the first time I had to buy a pair of red
Yeah.
bottoms for a certain lady.
Oh,
and
so
I
you-
remember
okay.
looking and wondering, what am I looking at? It was almost like an extra zero,
Yes,
you know?
yes, yes,
And I
yes.
could not for the life of me understand somebody spent so much money on a shoe.
Good human being, you made that investment.
I had no
For the
choice,
greater
but
good.
I had to buy it for the greater good and the serenity and the peace.
All right,
that
so
we need in
I'll
life.
give you some rapid fire
Yes.
questions answer so we can get a better sense
Hold
of
on,
who you
hold
are,
on.
right? All right, your favorite genre of music.
Rap and dancehall.
What kind of movies you're into?
I like horror flicks, but I like movies that have a historical thing about it. Yeah,
What is one movie that you would say changed your life?
it's a very good question. I do not know.
Oh, okay.
I watch many movies. Yes.
Do you have a favorite actor, actress?
My favorite actor, certainly I always like Tom Cruise.
Oh, yeah,
and
yeah,
Pierce
yeah,
Brosnan and those guys. That's more kind of me, you know.
If you could only have one meal for eat for the rest of your life, what meal would that be?
Rice and peas and chicken, fried chicken. I love fried chicken.
And final question, who are your favorite MP in the Labour Party?
Delano Seiveright. I'm kidding. My favorite MP in the Labour Party is Andrew Michael Holness.
Oh,
Friend.
that's very smart. Come on, man.
Oh, what's it
Yes,
called?
man. Wow. Big up yourself. All right, so that is it. This is the end of the Cardi B BCR launch in Kingston. Of course, she's going to take over Kingston City at the National Stadium in October, and you cannot miss it. Of course, me gonna because I don't talk to Minister Granger and to say she will put me in her entourage. So people, make sure say that here if you're a supporter of Jamaican music, Jamaican culture, of hip-hop, of rap. Cardi B is a girl. Make sure you come and support her. Also, like, share, comment on this video. And next time, when we get invited to another event, I will take you guys along for that adventure. That is it.